Hi everybody. In this video I'm gonna cut the locator tab in the top of one of these black Delrin hand pieces. So we'll get that tab cut in here. On the other video I did it on a vise with a hacksaw, but I'm not going there today. So let me get this down in here and lock down, and I'll give you a little tour of the mill here. Zoom out. I've got my indicator set down here, and up here I have a digital for the spindle, for the Z-axis, and I've got a dial indicator set on the Y-axis. I believe that's the Y-axis. And I'll show you how I cut that tab into here. And what I do is come down and touch the just touch the part so I know I'm at the top of it. I usually turn it on so I can see it just barely touch the top of this part. Okay, it's touching. So I can go over here on my digital readout, zero it out, and then I dial in 1/10 of an inch, 100 thousandths. 80, 96, and 1/10 of an inch. Okay, I'll turn it back on, and I come in till I'm just touching the edge of it. Okay, I'm at the edge. I'm going to set my indicator to 0. I'm going to dial in 1/10 of an inch. Take the cut. Dial in another 1/10 of an inch. Take another cut. Now I'm going to move to the other side. And do the same thing here. Just touch it. Just touch the part, zero out my indicator, dial it in 1/10 of an inch. Take another 1/10 off of it. Now I have 2 tabs. So I'll come back here and I'll take this tab off. And now I have a locator tab. Let me clean the burrs off of it, and I'll do a quick check of it. Make sure a tool holder will go down in here. And so I take 2/10 off of each side, and it leaves the locator tab, and it should be close to 1/10 of an inch, plus or minus a few thousandths, but that usually seems to see if it'll locate. There it is. Let's see if I can get the thing to focus. And there you have it. You can see that tab fits in there perfect. No side to side play. And that's how I put the tab, the locator tab, on these. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.